Today we are going to talk about what you usually do on the weekend. I will ask you some questions. Please answer in full sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
What do you usually do on the weekend?
On the weekend, I do housework and I do homework.
What time do you wake up on Saturday and Sunday?
I wake up at 5:30 in the morning.
Do you like to relax or stay busy on the weekend?
I like to relax because busy in the week.
Who do you usually spend your weekend with?
I spend time with my family.
Do you go out or stay at home on the weekends?
We stay at home.
What do you like to eat or drink on the weekend?
On the weekend, I eat doll and drink Coca-Cola.
Do you watch TV or listen to music at the weekend?
At the weekend, I listen to music at the afternoon.
Do you sometimes go shopping on the weekend?
No, because sometimes we stay at home and do housework.
What was something fun you did last weekend?
Last weekend, we went on Angkor Wat and take many photos.
What do you plan to do next weekend?
Next weekend, we do to sit and eat dinner.
Thank you for telling me about your weekends. You did a good job. That is the end of your speaking test. See you next time.